What is up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to another episode. I am Big Man.
And your boy.
And we're here today to... what were we opening today? I feel like we're forgetting something.
The tins, Dad. The tins.
That's right. You know what? Let's go pick those up. Here we are. That's right. GameStop. There we are. There we go. Now let's go inside and get them. And we're back.
That's right. And we got the tins in all their glory.
There they are. We were able to pick up our reserve. Let me tell you, there was quite a line. A lot of people want these tins. Hidden Fates has outdone itself. I don't think Pokemon Company saw it coming. But here we are. We got the tins. I know you guys are seeing all these tins here, but we're only opening 2 of them. Your boy, why don't you go ahead and pick 2?
Go with my boys, Raichu and Charizard.
There we go. Raichu and Charizard. That's what we're opening today. I'm pretty sure you guys want to see all 3 together. There you go. Look at that. There's Gyarados, Raichu, and Charizard. That's right. It's nothing to really snap, though. Oh, wait. I have an idea. We can snap the rest of the tins away to open up those 2.
Let's see if it works.
All right, let's give it to them. You know they want it. Count it down. 3, 2. There we go. Look at that. Everything put away. That was quick and easy. I like that.
I can't believe it actually worked.
There we go. We got a Charizard and we got a Raichu. Here, let me readjust the camera for you guys so you can take a better look. But we're going to tear into these, so you guys get to see what's on the inside. Look at that. Hidden Fates right there. Charizard, Gyarados, Raichu. There we go. Look at that. I like that it says Hidden Fates on the side.
Yeah, that's actually pretty nice.
There is that promo card. Look at that. That is pretty nice. We'll take a look at that in a second with the Raichu. But this is what I'm curious about. Yes, it is 4 packs of Hidden Fates. See, I was worried they were only going to put 2, and then 2 was something else that nobody wants. But we got 4 packs of Hidden Fates. Beautiful.
Here's the Raichu promo. You gotta love that artwork.
Nice. So go ahead and grab your packs. Let's see. All this stuff to the side. Gonna put that Charizard tin right there for you.
Oh, would you look at that?
Yeah, I got all the same pack art as well. I guess they give you all 4 pack arts. Nice.
Yeah. Pretty cool.
I'm gonna switch this up real quick so you guys can take a look. Here's that Raichu promo. Looking good.
Oh, I guess we got code cards.
Yes, we do. There's that Charizard promo. And here's the first one. Hidden Fates 10 Charizard. You guys are going to have to stay tuned for the Raichu one. We're going to show you that later on in the episode. And you know what, your boy? I'm going to let you go first.
All right.
Move this over, get the packs in there.
First one to open up the tins from Hidden Fates. Here's that code card for all of you. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Smack it down. I forgot to guess the energy. Farfetch'd. I almost said Fletchwinder. Ravler. Chansey. Ekans running from Articuno.
I'm really really curious about how pull rates are going to be in here.
Yeah. Cubone, Magikarp, Geodude, Clefairy, Reverse Hollow Charmander, and for my rare, non-hollow Lapras. Having struggle saying the name.
Put these guys right here for you so you can see them. Now, first pack was a dud. That bothers me. Makes me worried. Hope Mew doesn't do me wrong. Me and Mew are supposed to be friends. Hope he remembers that. Oh, it's the Destiny Voltorb right there on the front. But, oh, there's your code card. I know you guys saw what I saw. I know you saw what I saw.
I didn't see anything.
1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to knock that down, bring it around. We're going to have to say lightning because it looks like it's going to strike. Psychic. I see. I'm going to start saying psychic for every one of my first packs because every single one of my first packs seem to be psychic.
Yeah.
Brock's Grit. Chansey. Graveler. Voltorb in Destiny. Pikachu playing with them bubbles. Ekans enjoying the rainbow.
What does it mean?
You know, for some reason, there's 3 sets with Pokemon. We got Riolu, Ekans, and Pikachu all looking at rainbows. I think I'm going to have to put them together, let them sing their song together. Is that what's happening? It is. That's what's happening. That's what's happening. Good times. Coughing. Paris. What? Reverse coughing. They did me like that? Really?
They did.
What the heck? And for my rare, Jesse and James. On my first pack, you got Jesse and James. I can't get mad about that at all. Look at that. I'll tell you, that card is a lot darker than I thought it was gonna be. That is nice. See, I gotta get a sleeve for that.
And I guess that puts you in the lead.
Oh yeah. Not one shiny, but I'll tell you what, I wanted that card. That card right there, that's great.
Who doesn't want that card?
I'd even check the quality. Let me see real quick. Wow. Look at that. That is a beautiful cut. I might have to send that in to get that graded.
Who knows?
So that's something else we're doing. All these cards that we're getting, all these good cards like this, we're going to be sending in to get graded. And we're going to do a whole episode where we get to unbox the graded cards and see what we got. But first, let's see if we can get some more. Because I'd like to send in that Charizard and get that guy graded right there. That I would love to do.
Hopefully all the cards we send, we get 10s for all of them.
That would be awesome.
Yeah.
I would absolutely love that.
It would be amazing. That little corner caught the cards. Here's that code card for all you people. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Almost did 5. Alright, I'm gonna guess Psychic. Water. Giovanni's Exile. Lieutenant Surge's Strategy. Koga's Trap. Fast Poke. Clefairy. The Happy Coughing.
Another one.
Destiny Voltorb.
Another one.
Cubone.
Another one.
The Cowering Psyduck. Reverse Hollow. And for my rare, a Hollow Misty's Water Command.
Nice. So that's a good card.
And here, we still sleeve up the hollows. We still count them as pulls.
Yeah.
put that there.
That Misty Water Command is like a $3 card too.
Yeah.
All right. Time for my second pack. Going with Mewtwo. Let's see what it do. Mewtwo. So it'll be interesting. Very happy with that first pack. Gotta love the first pack magic. For you guys. Go 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Put it down and gonna have to say fire. It is Leaf. Magmar. Farfetch'd. Brock Pewter City Gym. Cubone. Geodude. Jigglypuff. Staryu. Ekans. Zapdos Reverse. Starting to get a little depressor. 4 packs, no shinies.
Yeah.
And Erica's Hospitality. No, I've still yet to pull the full art of Erica's Hospitality. That would be awesome to pull.
Is there a full art in this set?
Not in this set. Got to get some team up packs.
Yeah. Right. Oh wait, look at that. My pack's a Mewtwo pack as well.
Yeah.
And we both got Charizard left.
Hoping one of us gets a Charizard. That'd be nice.
Yeah, hopefully. Here's that code card. Gotta move that trash.
Take any shiny. I would love to see some more shinies.
Yeah.
Now that Mewtwo shiny is actually
1, 2, 3, 4 to the front.
Card. That Cynthia full art trainer. That's $100 card.
I'm gonna say dark. Psychic. Let me guess. Since you're psychic, you were thinking
right.
psychic.
That's right.
Misty Cerulean City Gym. Charmeleon. Brock's Grit. Fast Poke. Pikachu playing with SpongeBob with the bubbles. Charmander. The Destiny Voltorb. Happy Coughing. Oh!
Shiny Oranguru. Do not have that card. That is awesome. Wait, what's behind it? What's the rare? A Butterfree.
Non-hollow.
Sleeve up Oranguru. Throw him in there.
A hollow plus a shining. Just gonna cover most of Misty up with that. It's a hollow.
You see that? I have not seen that yet. See, that is really cool. Look at that. I like how the pink actually matches the shimmer from it being a shiny. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's nice. Really, really nice.
Okay. Let's see. That's for you guys right there. Really hope you guys are taking those codes and doing something with them. And I'm going to have to guess water. It is metal. I did not think it was going to be metal. Yeah. Scyther, Jinx, Magmar, Charmander, Psyduck,
Cowering.
Magikarp. They're jumping everywhere. I think we need to go fishing.
Yeah.
Staryu, Slowpoke, Clefairy Reverse. My rare. Bill's Analysis. Not looking good, Bill. Not looking good.
Yeah.
It's like he's hard at work studying.
Yes,
Good for him, but
We need some. You need some pulls.
you need some pulls in there. Oh, down to your last pack. Let's see some last pack magic there.
Again, I call upon the Pokemon gods. Please give me some last pack magic. I beg of you.
That's
Please. But so far, I only pulled a Shining and a Hollow.
Got 2 pulls. That's not bad at all.
Yeah, but you pulled a full art.
Yes, I did.
Here's that code card for all of you. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. I'm gonna say Lightning.
Nice. Look at that.
Brock's Grit. Misty's Determination.
Oh, there she goes. She thinks she's in the club again. Missy, this ain't the club. What are you doing? Stop your nonsense.
Child friendly Misty. Pokemon Center Lady. Geodude. Eevee. Jigglypuff. Happy Coughing. Staryu. Reverse Hollow Geodude.
For the rare.
Non-hollow Electrode.
2 pulls are better than no pulls.
Yeah. I was hoping to pull like a nice full art Shining. Like that giant freaking and going for a lot of money Charizard.
That'd be nice. It definitely would be nice.
Yeah.
Even some legendary birds would be nice.
Still gotta wait for those elite trainers.
That I want that stained glass one so bad. That let me tell you. And we got something special planned for those too. There you go, guys. That's for you. So if you're not paying attention to our Twitter, I absolutely would, because we're going to make the announcements there. I'm going to have to say dark. It's water. Charmander. Metapod. Jinx. Slowpoke. Magikarp. Pikachu. Voltorb. Coughing. Alright guys, if you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe. Tell your friends, your loved ones, even the people you only kind of like. Like I said before, check out our Twitter. We're going to have Instagram up soon. We're going to be having some more giveaways. Definitely check it out. And if you enjoyed it, hit that like button right now for us. Help me try and get something good. Shiny Pheromosa. And a Hollow Eevee. Well, I guess you guys did hit that like button. Well, gee, thanks. I like you too. That was great. I appreciate it. Alright, so what we're going to do real quick, we're going to sleeve this up. And then what we're going to do, we're going to come around here, and we're going to sleeve up Eevee as well.
Don't need the comments to tell you that you won.
Oh no, it's still their choice. They gotta let us know who they think won.
Good point.
But just for the recap purposes only, just to go over it. Misty Water Command Hollow from Jaboy. Shiny Oranguru. There's that Hollow Eevee. We got another Pheromosa. And then there's that full art Jesse and James. You know what? All in all, I enjoyed the 10s.
Yeah, I bet you did.
The 10s were kind of fun. You get 4 packs instead of 3. I will tell you though that I wish we could find more of those pin boxes. Kind of upset that we can't. And it's surprising these things are selling so high. I picked up these tins yesterday and I look now, today, and these tins are selling between $35 and $50 a piece. Kind of insane.
Thank God we got some.
Yeah. In some cases more than double. Now, for those of you that made it to the end, there you go. There is that Raichu code. I want to thank you for stopping by and watching with us. Hope you enjoyed it.
And don't forget, like, comment, subscribe.
See ya.
I'm large on the streets. Large on the streets. Large on the streets.
Vado.